Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. You can find my YouTube or DTube or dlive.io video channels with practice problems at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams or smarturl.it/This Ain't Country Club or smarturl.it/Go Pass Me Some Exams. That's because my PhD advisor used to say, "This ain't no country club, go prove me some theorems." Also, I tell my students, "This ain't country club, go pass me some exams." The online seminars that I teach for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM are described at smarturl.it/BTDT-online. BTDT stands for my advice on how you need to be prepared for the actuarial exams. Every time you look at the problem on the test, when you're taking the test, you should be able to say, "Been there, done that." You know immediately what to do. That's how many problems, and the difficult ones, you have done. Exam P manual that I author is described and can be purchased at smarturl.it/BTDT-P. For FM, it's FM instead of P, and for IFM, it's IFM instead of P, and for LTAM, it's LTAM instead of P. The actuarial program at Illinois State University, which I direct, is described at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today, for September 20th, 2018, on exam LTAM. For a whole life insurance of €1,050 you are given, the death benefit is payable at the end of the year of death, so it's a discrete type of a policy. Mortality follows the standard ultimate life table, so please note that effective July 2018, Society of Actuaries changed the life contingencies exam to what is now called long-term actuarial models exam, and it uses Society is using a new table for this exam, which is called the Standard Ultimate Life Table. And you can find the mortality table at smarturl.it/SULT. The old table used to be called Illustrative Life Table, was used for a very long time, and if you want to compare, you can find the old table at smarturl.it/ILT, stands for Illustrative Life Table. The Illustrative Life Table, the old one assumed the interest rate of 6%, and the new one assumes 5%. It's very important because if you read any actuarial present values from the table, they are calculated using the assumed interest rate. So it used to be 6%, but it's now 5% in this new table. Calculate the actuarial present value of this insurance. So the values in the Standard Ultimate Life Table assume 5%. In this problem, we can actually get the value straight from the table starting at age 51, but not starting at age 50, because for the first year, interest rate is 4%. So we calculate the actual present value, which is $1,850, as applicable to this problem, by taking 1,000 times 1.04 to the negative 1. That's 1.04 to the negative 1 is a discount factor for the first year when the interest rate is 4%. And then we multiply this by Q50, which is the provision for mortality in the first year. And we can read that from the table because it doesn't involve interest rate. Plus P50 for those who survive, also from the table, times A51, which now functions under the interest rate of 5%, so we can read it straight from the table. So under the Standard Ultimate Life Table, are basically using the values from Standard Ultimate Life Table, which you can see in what follows. This becomes 1000 divided by 1.04 times 0.001209, which is the value of Q50 from Standard Ultimate Life Table, plus 1 minus Q50, which of course is P50, multiplied by 0.19780, which is a 51 from the Standard Ultimate Life Table. And we do the calculation. This comes out to be approximately 191.20, and that's answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.